If you're watching this, it's because, like you, I love the cheap stuff. And because AJ is increasingly becoming a camera snob, he's refusing to cover anything in the budget price point. So, much to his despair, I bring you a £60 ND and CPL filter. It's the K&F Concept 82mm ND and CPL filter. It's essential for shooting outdoors and achieving those shots that, well, you simply wouldn't be able to get without it. This video reveals one of my must-haves. It's a bit of a filmmaking hack, so it's kind of more of a reveal than a review. This product is a cameraman's everyday essential kit. For me, it's the product I have to carry to enable me to take the shots that I would struggle to get without it. The ND filter alone will enhance your video footage, and obviously for photography, an ND filter enables you to get better shots in your longer exposures. So if you want to get shots of water flowing and that nice motion blur, then this is for you. For me, I care about video. How will it help my video? Well, for video, you obviously set your shutter speed to double your frame rate, and most of my DSLR footage is shot at 25 frames per second, so my shutter speed is at a 50th of a second. If I don't have an ND filter, well, I have to drop my aperture down, which is when the background comes into focus, and that makes my shot less interesting. An ND filter, it fixes that for me, and that's just one of the many headaches that's dealt with when facing filming outdoors. And I've just realised that I've now started to sound like AJ. So if you're still watching, thank you for hanging on in there, and I do apologise. What are the good bits? Well, being a 2-in-1 filter, it definitely has huge advantages. It really does make a big difference in eradicating that X effect, the type of shadow that you often suffer with separate filters. And the optical glass is scratch resistant and waterproof. So if nothing else, and you don't really fancy a filter, well, this is going to help protect your expensive glass. The serrated design of the case, well, it makes precise movements, which is easy to achieve with this. And the aluminium casing, it gives it a quality feel, which is certainly above its price point. Some of the negatives would be, it is an extra piece of glass that's going to sit on your expensive lens. And that will always deteriorate the type of quality that your lens can achieve at its best. I think most would agree that an ND filter is pretty essential, and there are definitely occasions where a CPL filter is definitely desirable, or you would just miss that shot. This simple piece of kit allows you to manage the amount of light that enters your lens whilst also darkening the skies. It's such an effective tool at managing reflections at the same time as the bounce light that I have to recommend it as one of my hacks, and therefore something that I will always keep in my camera bag. So that's my up close look at the K&F Concept ND and CPL filter. If it's something that you want to take a look at yourself, well, I'll drop a link down below. And make sure to turn on your notifications to keep up to date with future tech bargains related to filmmaking. That's pretty much all from me. I'll be down there in the comments if you want to chat. Just me, not AJ. That's all.
Well, I'm not allowed in there?
This is my video, just me now, okay?
Right.
Shh. Thanks for watching.
I'm here too.
He's not.